Welcome back to Divine Times 2. Hope you're having a good day. Today I'm making Strawberry Vanilla Icebox Cake. I use shortbread cookies that are layered in between delicious fruit spread mixed into fresh whipped cream, making it a fresh and delightful ending to any meal. I'm excited to show you how I make this, so join me in the kitchen and let's get started. In a medium bowl, beat 2 cups of heavy cream until stiff peaks form. Use the whisk attachment to your handheld mixer. Place the whipped cream to the side until ready to use. In a separate large bowl, beat an 8-ounce brick of softened cream cheese. Then add a 17.25-ounce jar of strawberry fruit spread. I am using Smucker's Natural. Now add 1 packet of vanillina. Vanillina is a powder that gives a wonderful vanilla flavor and a delightful aroma to baked goods, whipped cream, cakes, and syrups. Mix ingredients until well combined. Take the whipped cream that was set aside and gently fold the whipped cream mixture into the strawberry mixture. Then cover and refrigerate until ready to use. In a medium bowl, beat 2 cups of heavy cream. Add 1/4 cup confectioner's sugar and a vanillina packet, or you may use 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Beat with a whisk attachment to your handheld mixer until soft peaks form. When the heavy whipping cream has reached the soft peak stage, add 4 ounces, that's half a brick, of softened cream cheese. Beat until well combined, but do not overmix as the cream may turn into butter. Now we have the vanilla whipped topping for the icebox cake. Set it aside in the refrigerator until ready to use. In a 9x13-inch baking dish, place the first layer of Lorna Doone cookies on the bottom of the dish. Make 7 rows of 5 cookies. I used about 3 of these boxes of Lorna Doone cookies. Did you know that Lorna Doone is the name of an 1869 romance novel by Richard Doddridge Blackmore? Cover cookies with half of the strawberry and vanilla cream mixture. Place another layer of the shortbread cookies on top of the strawberry and vanilla cream. Cover the cookies with the remaining strawberry and vanilla cream mixture. Place the last layer of cookies on the strawberry and vanilla mixture. Spread the vanilla cream topping over the shortbread cookies. Cover and refrigerate overnight to allow the cream to set and cookies to soften and become a cake-like consistency. Before serving, place in the freezer for about 20 minutes to allow filling to slightly firm up and get cleaner slices when cutting. Then decorate with fresh strawberries if you wish. Look at those layers of shortbread cookies and strawberry vanilla fresh cream. I need to try this. This is absolutely delicious. Guys, you need to try this. You are going to love it. When you make the strawberry vanilla icebox cake, comment down below. We would love to hear from you. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, so you won't miss out on any of our future simple, delicious, and comforting recipes. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.